Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my class. Today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is Greek, Roman and American civilizations. So far I have completed for you all about the Greek and Roman civilizations. So I have started with the American civilizations. In the American civilizations, we are going to see again three civilizations, that is Mayas, Aztec and Inca civilization. So already I have completed about the Mayas civilizations. So today I am going to explain you all about the Aztec civilization, the life of the Aztec. So let me start with the Aztec. Texcoco is a lake in Mexico. The Aztecs built their city on an island in this lake. Which lake that is in a Texcoco lake? It is in Mexico itself. So these Aztec people, they built their own city in this island, and they are called as a Tenoch. What they are called? They are called as a Tenoch, a name derived from legendary ancestor, that is a Tenoch. Their city was called Tenochtitlan. What is called as a Tenochtitlan? It means the rising stone in the water. The city has also been called as Mexica, and its inhabitants were also known by the same name. And their language was Nahu. What is the language? The language is Nahu. And Dari means prohibited. The Incas of Peru, that is in southern America, they are prohibited. They are not allowed to enter in this land by the Texcoco. And there has been no one in the New World who has had an empire like the Aztec. So in the New World, this New World was discovered by the European, when the time of discovering a new sea routes to India and all. So the Europeans discovered the new sea routes to India. At that time they have discovered the new continents, new lands and all. So already which were they, that is called as an old world, which were discovered newly is called as a new world. So far we have seen the Greek and Romans, and in the American civilization, that is a Maya civilization, no one has built this kind of an empire which were built by the Aztec itself. No one has built this kind of a wonderful empire in the New World. So it has said that had an empire like the Aztec. It is an incredible story, fabulous story of a small wandering tribe. So these are the tribal people. They used to live on the mountain slopes, that built and ruled an empire within a span of only 1 century. Within a 1 century, they built an incredible, fabulous empire and they ruled. So, but it fall was how they raised rapidly within a century. So famous they have become within a span of time. It has within a span, within the speed of fall also we have seen. So quick they have raised and so rapidly they have fallen due to and have been recorded in the oral literature. So the people orally they used to pass on from one person to another person the rise and the fall of the Aztec civilization, and can be understood from the excavation. Even the archaeological people, they went and they made the researches and all, and when the time of excavation they found the sources and all about this civilization. and the Aztec, the oral, and has been translated by the Spanish historians and the social scientists also. So when we come to when the Spaniards, that is a person from the Spanish army entered the Spanish army entered the Mexican Valley in 1519 CE. They spotted the beautiful city on the islands in a lake. Which lake that is in a Mexico lake. It's a very beautiful, and in the center they have constructed, they have empirism. So this Spanish army, when they entered into the valley in the CE, that is at the 1590 CE, they spotted this beautiful island. That city was Tenochtitlan, the capital of the that is an Aztec, which had grown to symbolize their wealth and power. As the Spanish stepped into the city, they saw a wide 3 roads. So the first one, 3 wide roads. The first one lead to the palace, the second one lead to the Ornate temple, and the third one leads to the pyramids. So all these came under the Spanish conquest. So the Spanish people, what they have did, they defeated the Aztec island, the Aztec, the Mexican city, that is an Tenochtitlan island, and they destroyed each and everything. They looted their wealth and all. So who? That is an Spanish. They defeated this civilization. That is an Aztec civilization. It is a wonderful, a beautiful city in the island. Yes, Nanu. And within a span of time, we have seen the rise, and within the span of time, we have seen the fall also. And the archaeologists, they made a research. They got the proof that it was one of the beautiful city of the New World, which were discovered by the Europeans people. So in the next class, again I am going to continue with my same lesson. It is a very big lesson, children. It is the 3 civilizations. Again in the 3 civilizations, again in the American civilization, again we are going to see the other 3 civilizations. Already we have seen about the Mayas civilization. So today, another 3 days it will take for me to complete this Aztec civilization. So it is such a very big, lengthy lesson. You will have bear with me to complete this lesson. Your support also I need to complete this lesson. So in the next class, again I am going to continue with my same lesson. Thank you, students. If you have any queries, any doubt, you can contact me, or else you can come to school. Thank you.